Hey guys, take a look at these videos. Wow, aren't they amazing? These miniature videos are going incredibly viral across the internet. People are posting them on Instagram and getting millions of views, thousands of followers, and huge engagement. Now, let's look at YouTube. Creators are uploading miniature videos there as well, and many of them are reaching millions of views. These videos are trending everywhere, and today I'll show you how you can create them too. First, scroll down and check the description below. I've provided a master prompt for you. Simply copy that prompt and open Google Flow AI. Inside Google Flow AI, select the video mode, choose your preferred aspect ratio, and then select OmniFlash. Paste the master prompt into the prompt box. After that, replace the section where I've written food item with the subject you want to create a video about. For example, if you want to make a video about pizza, simply replace food item with pizza. Now click Generate. Within a few seconds, your miniature video will be ready. Just look at the result. It's amazing. You can also use the same master prompt in ChatGPT and ask it to generate similar prompts for different food items or ideas. This way, you can create unlimited miniature videos for your own content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing AI content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.